Sometimes you have to step back in order to really get the full picture. And fishing allows me to kind of have that freedom and just time with your thoughts to understand how things fit together. You might think that fishing and technology are at opposite ends of the spectrum. There really are a lot alike because there's a lot of preparation required in both fields and a study of how things naturally flow together. It's not unlike what happens in the computer world. You've got to plan out the architecture and establish domains that will allow you to have a successful implementation. It's kind of a yin and yang in my case that keeps me balanced and constantly focused. So my goals have always been to really understand technology and exploit it and use it to its utmost in order to help customers and partners really move their businesses farther ahead. That is what gives me the most satisfaction, is people who understand how to use technology to their benefit and, in a sense, change the world. That was always the dream, to change the world, but now it's on such a bigger global scale with Microsoft Azure. When you can take an asset like data that's sitting around and turn it into a new revenue stream, that's a huge advantage that Microsoft Azure provides specifically in terms of big data analytics, predictive analytics, machine learning. The cloud, to me, is the new frontier. This is where things are going to be at for a very long time. I think Microsoft Azure is at the forefront of this new wave of cloud computing. So to be successful as a cloud solution architect at Microsoft, you really need to have a passion for technology, that desire to constantly keep learning. You're also in a leadership role a lot of times. You're looked at as the trusted advisor, and your role really is to kind of be a Sherpa or mentor in order to help them understand the path and journey to the cloud, and knowing what the pitfalls are, what are the train wrecks to avoid. That's the knowledge that I bring with me that they find most beneficial. The understanding of what it is and how to use it and how to best leverage it for their purpose. If you love technology and you love helping others and want to change the world, this is the place to be. My name is Jeff Barnes. I'm a cloud solution architect at Microsoft.